guys, so we're at the Harry J. Epstein Co. store, and they have a bunch of Koken ratchets on display here, so I thought I'd show you guys some. Yeah, this is our 160 millimeter quarter-inch ratchet. This is 72 tooth, obviously. This is our quarter-inch body 3/8 head. This is one of our best sellers, the flex head version of this as well. Then we have some of our stubbies. So these are like the quick release, so 3726 ZSB, because button for quick release. So this is our big 3/4 ratchet that he was talking about earlier. So this piece comes off. The SKU is literally like pipe dash 580, and 580 is the length. If you need a 3/4 ratchet, this is it. It's also a solid workout. This guy right here is our double universal. This is the 3/8, so it's 3772Z. It's a pinless design, so it actually has two balls that are touching in the middle that have a high degree of rotation. It's pinless, so there's not like all of the load being bared on that one pin. It's pushed across all of the tool itself, so you have a higher torque capacity with that. We have it in 3/8. We also have it in 1/2 inch. This is the 4772Z. And then we have the 2772Z, which is 1/4 inch. This one is one of my favorite tools. It's just super small and just can really help you fit into those tight crevices. So really, really love this tool. We also have a lot of adapters and quick spinners here. This is a 1/4 inch to 3/8. People love this. Great adapter quick spinner. So you can have that functionality of the quick spinner, but also adapter 3/8 if you need to. He's got a lot of our extensions here. So we have like our wobble fix extensions. It has that dual function of both wobble and fix. Also has our really, really unique knurling here. It's anti-roll with these gaps, and then that knurling itself can be really great with those greasy hands or gloves. He also has some of our impact sockets here. We sell a whole line of impacts. If you guys don't have our catalog, it's free on our website, so you can check it out. And then he has some of our locking extensions. This is our straight locking extension. It's chrome, obviously. It's also Z-Series. So what I like to do with these is, because Z-Series has really tight tolerances and that different ball holding groove, I actually will stack these and show you how it doesn't bow. It's straight because of all that tight tolerance and build. Really great tools. Another one I really love is this guy right here. This is probably one of my favorite tools. It's our free spin T-handle. So this handle grip here is knurled like our extensions. You can easily grab it. It's free turn, so this is free rotating from the actual shaft. Also really great because you can lock it on the side for torque, take it out for easy storage, and also it has a 3/8 extension here, so you can put in a ratchet or whatever and have it be an extension itself, still with that free turn capability if you want to use it. We have some attack drivers here. These are great if you want to get a stuck or rusty bolt out. You can hit it with a hammer and it will torque it out. The handle basically wider at the end here, so that way when you hit it with a hammer, your hand won't slide off. It almost stops it. So I think that's a great addition to this tool. So yeah, these are really great. He has some of these. Here we got a lot of Z-Series. So we have the Z-Series regular 3/8, some impact here. Nut grip, this is a 1/4 inch surface drive. So surface drive again grabs the flats of the bolt versus the corners. A lot of hex and torques. And then our spud handle ratchets, which a lot of people don't necessarily know that we carry. It's just another ratcheting mechanism that we have. Also quick release, extremely flush quick release push button here. It's in our construction catalog. Yeah, one thing I love that's great about this company, and just really brick and mortars in general, a lot of times people don't realize the quality and the craftsmanship, and having them open like this, able to, test and feel. You can feel the quality when you test them out. So I highly recommend looking for a brick and mortar near you. But yeah, if you're in the Kansas City area, highly recommend stopping by and feeling out some Koken stuff.